Welcome back to another episode of Better Than the Best, where we take popular restaurant and fast food menu items suggested by you and make them better. I know that we have been missing for a very long time and we had a huge gap in the middle of this series, but there are a few things that we have been up to and that we are proud of. Number 1, as you can see, we're obviously in an upgraded studio. Number 2, we released our Cooked app, which is the best cooking app that you will ever come across, and it's free. And number 3, we released our very own cookbook. So do check it out when you get the chance. On this episode, I've brought something for all the vegetarians in this house.
This includes me too.
It's something that's spicy, it's crunchy, it's very popular, and it's the McSpicy Paneer Burger from the McDonald's India menu. This time I'm switching things up a bit. We're switching things up a bit this time. So I've already ordered the burger. So let's decode it and try to make it better. Looks like they probably missed the box this time because I just got a cover. So opening up the burger. Okay, so this is what we have in here. We have a mayo or a spicy mayo. We have some iceberg lettuce, lightly toasted buns, and a paneer patty. It seems easy enough, so let's get cooking. As my first component, I'm making my version of McDonald's spicy mayo. I'm first adding some oil. A neutral oil is preferable and it should be cold. Next, I'm adding some cold milk, salt, sugar, and finally some vinegar. I'm going to pulse blend this mixture in my blender until I get smooth and creamy mayo. My thick and creamy mayo is ready. I am now going to convert it into my spicy mayo. So I'm adding some red chilli sauce, tomato ketchup, and finally some Kashmiri red chilli powder. Let's pulse blend this again. Help. It's finally time to show off my homemade veg spicy mayo. Check out that consistency. So now it's time to move on to my second component, crispy and fresh lettuce. To always maintain the crisp freshness of my lettuce, I always separate the leaves and then wash them under fresh running water, and then I soak them in a bowl of ice cold water for a few minutes. Once I've done that, I like to take out the leaves, chop them into strips with a very sharp knife, and I then place them in a strainer. The key points to note here are definitely to refresh the leaves with ice cold water and then using a very sharp knife to cut them to prevent them from wilting or going brown. You're probably wondering why I chose to make the McSpicy Paneer Burger from McDonald's, but I think this is because of a common misconception. Just like biryani, when we say burger, no one really accepts a veg burger, right? Especially when we say paneer. This is the conception that I want to break. Yes, we vegetarians eat biryanis. Yes, we vegetarians eat burgers. And yes, we like paneer burgers. The McSpicy Paneer Burger definitely lives up to its name. The sauce is spicy and so is the patty. So let's make my paneer patties. Obviously, I need some thick slices of paneer for that. And this is my dry mix. I have some Maida, salt, red chilli powder and pepper powder, to which I'm adding a small pinch of baking powder. And this is my secret ingredient, some crushed nachos. Let's give this up a good mix. Now that my crispy dry mix is ready, it's time to make the batter. In this bowl, I have some Maida, corn flour, red chilli powder, salt and black pepper powder again. Again, I'm adding a pinch of baking powder, some vinegar. Plain synthetic vinegar or apple cider vinegar will do. And finally, we're making this into a batter with some cold milk, but you can also use cold water. batter is ready. It's not too thick and it's smooth. So it's time to coat the paneer. Taking my thick slab of paneer, I'm first dipping it in the batter and coating all the sides well. You want to slightly drain the excess off and then place it in the dry mix. Again, you want to coat all sides evenly and patting light. And let's set this aside now. Repeat the same with all the slices of paneer. I'm now finally frying the paneer patties. Now that my crispy paneer patties are ready, it's finally time to toast the bread. I think this is the only component that was completely store-bought. So I've cut them in half and applied some butter. Just like McDonald's does it, we are also going to just lightly toast it. This is the perfect golden color that you're looking for on your burger bun. So let's take them off. Now that I'm finally assembling my burger, I'm going to do it exactly the way McDonald's does it because I assume that prevents a soggy patty. I'm taking some of my spicy mayo, a rather huge quantity, and placing it on the top half of my burger bun. And then I'm placing some fresh lettuce. On the lower half of the bun, I'm placing my paneer patty. And finally just closing it up. This is the way McDonald's does it, and now I'm going to show you the way that I do it. I love the way this mayo tastes, so I'm going to add it on both sides of the burger bun. Place my crispy paneer patty on one half and some fresh lettuce on the other. And then I close it up. I think that this is the perfect ratio because the paneer and the bread balance it out perfectly. It is now time for the comparison. I don't really think that there's a comparison except the fact that maybe I'll just give this extra points for having sesame seeds on the bun, but maybe the store from which I bought from just didn't have sesame seeds. So do I really have to give a taste test? I think I can see the clear difference here on who the winner is and what we have made better. I think it's clear that I've won this round. So if you do want to try this recipe, I'm linking it in the description down below. And for my next challenge, let me know what you would like me to try. If you like this video, comment, share and subscribe to Cook TV. See you next time.